Welcome to an overview of the estimate module in Streamlined Logic's construction and engineering SaaS solution. As you can see here, we pulled up a job and we're looking at an estimate. And estimates are based on groups. Right now we're looking at the recirculation inside Vault group. There are additional groups down here. And groups themselves can be based on templates. So we have a template system that allows you to set up a template with the estimate lines and the phases and the cost codes, and then import or create a group based on that template. In addition, we have a staging and versioning system, so you can create different versions of an estimate as you move through the estimating and construction process. On the right here, we have equipment, labor, material summary, along with a calculated labor rate, which is configurable. And then we have additional fields here in the center for miscellaneous expenses and taxes, and those are automatically applied to the estimate as it's calculating. And then all of these fields at the top and additional fields as well can be used in a formula system, which I'll explain more about in a minute. So down here within the actual estimate lines within the group, you can expand one out and you'll see the detail now for that line broken down into categories: equipment, labor, and material. And over here on the right, there is a formula for various fields. So this field here pulls in the labor rate. If I click off of it here, you'll see it's pulling in the labor rate here, 46.45 from up here. And if this needs to be modified or a formula added to it, changed, we can edit the formula. It'll pull up a a modal. The modal, you can see here that for the formulas, allows you to modify the formula as needed using either global or local variables in this estimate. And then we have math functions over here, and then additional reference fields we can utilize. So within the group, we can use the same line we're working on, different field values there, quantity and whatnot. And then the estimate line, we can pull in field values from any of the other estimate lines within the group. So it's a powerful and flexible formula system to tailor the estimate to exactly what you're looking for. Then once all of the estimate lines are entered for each of the groups, these values can be roll up and calculate into totals for the estimate lines, all the estimate lines, and then also for the group. And then if we go over to the cost tab here, we have a summary by cost code of the different phases and phase descriptions, and these can be exported to a CSV file for importing into Foundation or any other construction ERP system. So that pretty much covers the major features of the estimate module, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you.